Hello kids, today we will draw a colorful snail, so let's start. First, draw a big circle, like this. Good job! Now draw the inside. Make it round, and round, round, and round, and it's done. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how great it's looking. Now draw the snail's body. Draw a curved line, like this. Draw a long line. Make it curvy, and don't forget to draw the tail. Just draw like me, then you won't make any mistake. Well done! It's looking very beautiful. Now make the stomach. Draw a curved line, and make it like this. Well done! Look how cute it's looking. Now draw the snail's antenna. Draw a small line and make it like a tube. Good job! Now draw the other antenna, just like this. Lastly, draw a cute face. Draw the eyes first. Draw a big black dot, like this. Don't forget to draw a cute smile. Look how cute it's looking. Now draw some small curved lines on the shell. Draw them with the same gap, like this. Good job! We've completed the drawing, so let's color it. Today we will make it very colorful. Use all the colors you have and color it. You can use any colors you want, but don't use brown color yet. We will use brown to color its body. You can also use a color multiple times. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. job! Look how colorful and beautiful it's looking. Now use brown color and color the snail's body. Color the outline, then slowly fill in the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Don't forget to color the snail's antenna. Color carefully and don't make any mistake. Now use light brown color and color the stomach. Color it like this and it's done. Lastly, use white color and make the drawing more shiny. First, draw circles on both eyes. Now draw some lines, like this. Well done! Look, we've completed the drawing. The snail is looking very beautiful and colorful. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.